John here, Autograph Freshman, and I've got the pack. I'm opening the packs that was in the rack from For the Polls. Check them out in the description and in the title. Definitely worth the watch, definitely worth the subscription if you're one of those weird ones that aren't subscribed to him yet. So we have 99 McDonald's Gretzky Records, Triple Stars 1995 McDonald's, 1991-92 Upper Deck, Fleer 94 Baseball, 92 Pinnacle, got myself a little clue, 94 Fleer, and 91-92 OPC with gum, which I will be eating at the end of this episode, so stay tuned. So let's start with the 1999 Gretzky Records. Like I said, all these are from For the Polls. I do appreciate it. We got stickage. Not surprising. Surprise, surprise, Gretzky. Most goals in one season, including playoffs. And then a puzzle piece. Now here's the 95 McDonald's. Oh, I remember these. These are nice cards. Rob Blake. There's the front. There's the back. Wendell Clark. And Brent Lindros. 91-92 Upper Deck. Next. There's quite a few good rookies in this one, I know that. Jeff Hackett, Dennis Savard, Sean Burr, award winner, Mario Lemieux, as an insert, Mike Richter, Rod Brind'Amour, Glenn Healy, Derek King, Chris Joseph, Pierre Dijon, Scott Thornton, so now 94 Fleer Baseball. 94 Fleer Baseball. We got stickage. Quite a bit of stickage actually. Give me. I'm just hoping for no paper loss. Chad Curtis, Scott Fletcher, Tim Herland, John Valiant, Ben McDonald, Roberto Hernandez, Tony Lovelado, Ryan Sandberg, insert, Brett Butler, Dave Bruba, Mark Portugal, Jeff Shaw, Dave Justice, that's a nice one, Lou Fraser, and Eric Hellman. Now we have the 92 Pinnacle. Going to be lots of stickers in this one too, I think. Oh, not too bad. Ryan Sandberg. Benito Santiago. Willie McGree. Organize myself a little bit better. Cecil Fielder. Big Frank Thomas. And stuck to Frank Thomas is Kevin Caesar. Sidelines of Robin Yount. Benji Gill. Jim Groot. Tony Phillips. Keith Mitchell. BJ Shoroff. Big Will Clark. Glenn Davis. Mike. And Jeff Reardon. 2 more packs to go. And this one is the 1994 Fleer Ultra. Excited for this pack. Really like this pack, this set. You got a checklist, of course. Mike McFarland. Chad Kruger. Matt Turner. Greg Harris. Will Carrero. Who is this? Ken Clarendon. See, the front's nice, but the backs are beautiful too. Omar Ventura. Steve Lynchy. Mike Thornball. Chris Gomez. And an insert, award winners, Don Maloney. Donnie Baseball. And there's a back. Now last but not least, like I said, thank you for sticking to this to the end. I will be eating the gum when I am done. In 1991. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll show you the gum, but the cards, I'll show you the cards. They're destroyed from the gum. gum completely destroyed them. Didn't lose any real big cards. But here's the gum. Gum residue all over the place. Here's the gum. Just like chalk. I'll show you picking that up. Down the hatch. Ooh. I thought the 1990 gum was bad. That was the worst. Well, that just happened. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep on collecting. Bye.